In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview files in Monday.com, fast and easy. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking to make your workflow more efficient, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how simple it is to view your files without the fuss of downloading them first. Imagine you have an item on Monday.com where you've attached a file. This is common when managing projects or tasks, and being able to access these attachments quickly can save you a lot of time. First, navigate to the item with the file you want to preview. You'll usually find these items neatly organized on your board, making them easy to locate. Once you've opened the item, direct your attention to the file thumbnail. Clicking on the thumbnail is your gateway to easily viewing your file. This step eliminates the need for downloading, perfect for when you're on the go or just need a quick glance without the clutter of multiple downloads on your device. When you click on the file thumbnail, it opens up in a preview mode. This allows you to see the content of the file immediately, without any additional steps or external software. This functionality is especially convenient for documents, images, or even presentations that you need to check on quickly. You can ensure that everything looks right and make decisions on the fly without leaving your workspace. This seamless integration keeps your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. After you've reviewed the file and you're done, simply close the preview. This is easily done with a click, returning you to where you left off on your board. This whole process is designed to be swift, allowing you to move on quickly to other pressing tasks without unnecessary interruptions. By mastering these steps, you're not just previewing files, you're enhancing your efficiency and keeping your project management streamlined. Monday.com's design ensures that you can access all the information you need with minimal clicks, so integrating this method into your routine will surely make a difference in your daily operations. Remember that practice makes perfect, and the more you use this feature, the more you'll appreciate the ease it brings to managing your projects. So next time you need to check a file, think of this quick method to save yourself both time and effort. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your Monday.com experience.